Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript record collection. You are given a JSON object representing a part of your music collection. Each album has a unique ID number as its key and several other properties. Not all albums have complete information. You start with an update records function that takes an object like collection, an ID prop like artists or tracks and a value. Complete the function using the rules below to modify the object as passed to the function. So your function must return the entire object. So returning the entire object, it should do if prop is not equal to tracks and value is not equal to empty strings, then in that case update of set albums prop to value. So object of id of prop equal to value, else if prop equal to tracks. I have missed the quotes here, otherwise it would have worked as if that was variable. So if prop equal to tracks but the album doesn't have track property, so not object id dot has on property tracks in that case object id prop equal to empty array, object id prop dot push value, whatever the value is, and then next else if prop is tracks. I have used single quotes everywhere, so let's keep it consistent. And value isn't empty string, value is not empty string, add value to the end of album's existing tracks array. So same way it should be used as previous else if case, and in last else if value equal to empty string, then delete the given prop property from album. Object id prop, and we have to delete that. And since we are checking here for prop equal to tracks and we are not checking for a value, so it might give error. So and value is not equal to empty. Okay, everywhere we are checking. So before coming to last, we are checking value is not equal to empty string, and in last value equal to empty string, then we delete it. Run the test and we have a problem. Update records collection 2548. Tracks should not be set. Drop equal to tracks. We have on property. Okay, it should be here. Sorry, and it should not be here. It should not cause problem, right? Okay, so successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.